I have a 2019 Nissan Frontier, and I wanted to have better quality sound coming from the speakers without having to change the factory radio and having to purchase extra stuff to essentially keep the features in the truck, like the steering wheel control, backup camera, and USB port. And so I got in contact with the guy at plugandplaykits.com, and he suggested the kicker key. So yeah, they make the harness that you plug into the radio into the kicker key that essentially corrects the sound coming out of the speakers. And also, since I do have subwoofers, I also purchased the USB connection that comes with the remote wire, and yeah, it all together with the harness for the kicker key, which connect all together, plug into your factory radio, and that way you'll have all your features. You don't have to cut no wires, no splicing, no nothing, just plug and play. For the sake of the video, to make it, you know, shorter, not make it so long, I've already pried this top tray, and all you have to do is remove 3 screws. You got the one here, and then one on each side, and then the whole front end should pop right off, just like that. Oh, it's backwards. There we go. Here we go. Get that out the way so you can have room. Make sure you connect your microphone wire. Sorry, I should have did it under here. Make it, there we go. That way when we're putting it in, it's not in the way. And then, just a tray at the bottom. I already have the Velcro. Put it, already put on that tray at the bottom. And then, there we go. Hold up your harness. Should go to the top. Hold on. If I can get it to stick on the Velcro. There we go. Okay. All right, that's that. You connect your wires together. Push it in, a little bit out the way. Snap this in place. and back of the radio. Pretty much. There you go. Alright, so this is after the kicker key being installed. It's fully functional. My MP3 play songs no longer sound distorted or out of tune. So let me see if I can demonstrate a little bit of, with the toggle button, the sound quality change.
We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust it, not to mention they say they can smell your intentions. You laughing on the freak show sitting next to you. You laughing with people sitting next to you. You think how did I get here sitting next to you? But after all I've said, please don't forget.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. I know making videos it usually doesn't capture the sound, but it's on my end it sounds amazing. So if you're thinking about getting one, I highly suggest it. It does a great job and what it's supposed to do.